this season, we're going to make lunch boxes that you can send with your kids to school, or even easy afternoon snacks you can make at home. Daria, do you know what we're making today?
Yes.
What?
Star Express.
Star Express. So the reason we're calling it Star Express is because they're grilled cheese sandwiches and we're cutting them up in shapes of stars.
Yeah.
Are you ready to make it today?
Yes. And the ingredients are bread, butter, cheese.
That's it, 3 ingredients, and it's so simple and easy to make. So first, we grab our bread.
Yeah.
Then, what do we do? Can you put down the cheese?
Cheese.
We grab another slice of bread,
And then.
lay it on top. Are you ready to roll?
And then.
Come on.
Roll it.
I need you to roll it tight. Harder.
You drew it.
Yeah, roll it. We need to make it completely flat, Daria. Now that it's nice and flat, we're going to go and put it on a pan with butter. And then we're going to toast it and bring it back and cut it into stars.
Let's get the star shape.
Okay, Daria, now that we've sauteed these in butter, we're going to cut out the star shapes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Come on.
So hard, but I made it.
Look, you made a star. It's the cutest star ever, Daria. Here, Daria, cut out one more star. Me too, aren't they fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Daria, now that we have all the stars together, we're gonna stick them in this little sticks, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's grab a stick. Here. Okay. See? You keep sticking the stars in. Aren't these cute, Daria?
Yeah.
They're like little wands.
Yeah.
Fairy princess wand. Would you like to try one?
Yeah.
Okay, try it.
Nice, Mama.
Yeah, because they're cheesy and they're toasty and they're yummy. All right, that's all the time we have today on
Snacks and ladders.
Snacks and Ladders. I hope you like this grilled cheese star sandwich. It's really cute. Bye.
Bye.